Love staying here for 2 weeks. I made a 2-week stay here at the last month of 2021 and I am very happy with how I was treated here. The staff and personnel assisted me well for my stay and ensure that I enjoyed every moment of it, and they are friendly, approachable and amiable, and I will plan my next stay here next time. I enjoyed it because of a comfortable sleep, strong Wi-Fi connection, and just wanted to be calm and relaxed for a while, and this is the ideal choice for me. I made the right decision to book and stay in this property. Highly recommended. Thank you very much. Exceptional, best service I have. Exceptional, Miss Karen is such an amazing host. She replies to all of my inquiries. Thank you. Exceptional, the host was very nice and responsive. We had a wonderful stay. Vacation place is accessible to all tourist spots. Host was responsive and accommodating. Highly recommended. Love the location, right across Esplanade, walking distance to Molo Church and Molo Mansion, very near Mega World, Atria, Smallville area. The unit was clean and spacious. Could be good for a family holiday of 3 or 4. Value for money accommodation. I just hope that they would provide a hairdryer. Smile, will book again soon. Superb stay. I booked the unit on the same day I was going to check in. The host was kind enough to accommodate the booking despite the rush. The place was clean and homey. The place has basic kitchenware, so we had the chance to fully utilize the kitchen. I will probably be booking for another staycation here. Highly recommended. The place is very homey. It smells so good and very clean. Everything we need is available: kettle, burner, rice cooker and microwave oven. The owner is very helpful and considerate. We actually need to bribe our daughter every time we go out as she doesn't want to leave the building. We'd love to book again this place on our next vacation. Thank you, Karen, for letting us stay in your lovely abode. Amazing place, I loved my time here. I stayed with a friend overnight. I think I will book this place again. Exceptional, perfect location and accommodation. Exceptional. The unit was amazing, it's clean, and the owner of the unit is very accommodating when it comes to communicating the things we needed during our stay. I will highly recommend it to my friends and to all Agoda bookers who will be checking the Agoda page. You will get your money worth and it has exceeded our expectations.